today we are making a versatile chutney known as ginger garlic mango chutney.
So now for making this ginger garlic mango chutney, I am going to use 100 grams of ginger, 100 grams of garlic, 100 grams of raw mango, 100 grams of red chili powder, of salt. Any mango you can use. Here I have used Rajapuri mango. In this chopper, I am going to add everything one by one and finally chop this. I'm going to add small amount of oil. Adding this some ginger in this. Now we are separately sauteing this one by one because ginger, garlic and mango has different moisture content. So you can see how dry and it has a bit oil and it has sauteed. So now I'm going to remove this in a bowl and will be adding now, doing the same process with mango and garlic. Color of the mango has started changing, so I'm going to take this off the heat and add some oil, 100 grams of finely chopped garlic to this. Let it saute for just 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to fry all these ingredients together, so for that I'm going to add good amount of oil. At least 2 tablespoons of oil in this I'm going to add. Because we are going to store this around the year, I'm adding more amount of oil.
This is a very versatile chutney which can be used for making vada pav, dabeli. If you want to add this in pav bhaji, in Punjabi sabji, anything, if you like this flavor, if you want to eat it with khaman dhoklas, then you can use it. Add some more oil at the time of eating and you are ready to go.
And now you can see that the oil is now separating from this. It's the time that now this is cooked. So I am going to turn off the gas and now we will let it cool down completely and then we'll be adding salt and red chili powder.
Now as this has cooled down completely, we are going to add salt and red chili powder, but we are going to add this in parts. So first we'll be adding some salt and it should be added to the taste, the amount of salt you want.
Same I'm going to do with the red chili powder. Which type of red chili powder you are using is also important. Here I am using Kashmiri red chili powder, so it's not that much spicy. But still I am going to add just 80 grams of this and will be leaving this much amount. Now we'll be mixing this and tasting. If you want, then you can add more. After we have mixed this, I'm again going to add small amount of oil, half a tablespoon of oil, and we'll be mixing this.
And now our chutney is ready. While storing this in the bottle, add some more oil. And I would really appreciate if you like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon.